Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video, or tonight as it is. Please do excuse the state of my face. You'll be glad to know you didn't see it at its worst. Basically what happened was I first got spots. I think it was due to new skincare. If you saw my video for cherries oil, I got some vitamin C skincare and I don't think it's reacted well. I'm not totally sure. Anyway, so I'm in a different location. Actually, it's just a different location in the house. I'm just downstairs because the boys are away on holiday, so I use the opportunity for playing the background and all that. So yeah, my face just did smell really, really crap. It started out with the spots and then my nose went really scabby, although that's healing quite well. That bit's just from the glasses leaning on it. And then I got a summer cold. And then after that, my nose just went hard and massive and scabby. As you can see, there's a little bit of scab, but it's not too major. And then Friday I woke up and it don't look so bad now, not half as bad at all. But if you see my Instagram stories, you'll know that I got gingivitis, or however you say it, and my eye was massive. I looked like I was in a boxing ring overnight. So that went on, and to top it off, I fell down the stairs on Wednesday morning and got bruised up and a painful side. So yeah, it's not been the best week, guys. I'm not going to lie to you, it's not been the best week. So anyway, the purpose of this video is actually this. I'm going to be doing this hair dye. So I purchased this on Amazon. I'll try that again. I purchased this on Amazon, I think it was a few weeks ago, and it's just sat in the drawer. It's the Vivids by Garnier Colour Sensation in Fiery Red, and I just wanted to give it a go. And my hair usually takes reds very well, so look in here, and I don't have a mixing bottle, so I've already got a tub washed out ready to do this. And it's just got your colour sensations like the cream colour. It's got the developer, and they look quite small. I was a bit concerned about the size of these because that's only 60ml, but I've got a feeling that both mixed together, I'm not sure how many mils this is, 40ml, it's going to make 100ml, and it's probably how much you get anyway. I also have the conditioner. Excuse my corners of my mouth. I've just got a little drink here. No, I'm not drunk on this one. I've only just bought this. Oh. Just your gloves and the instructions. I never usually read the instructions because I've done hair dye for so many years that I've just found that there's no need because they're all about the same. And I know I should use a patch test, but I don't. I'm living dangerously, I think. Yeah, basically mix them both together. Let's see. Here we find out if it's on dry hair. Now I can't see that without taking these up there. I will read this off camera anyway, and I will figure it out that way. So the next bit you're going to see is in the bathroom where I'm going to put all this on, but I'll have it all mixed in the bowl already anyway. And I hope I'm not on Bradmondo somewhere in the future. Please don't do that. Because you'd find this shocking the way I do this. So anyway, I'm going to go into the bathroom now, and I'm going to take you with me. So I shall see you in a few seconds when I'm set up in there. Okay, so I've mixed this together the best I could. It looks quite peachy coloured. And I'm now going to put, I've just ran up the stairs to get my towels. Guys, that's why I'm a bit out of breath. Petroleum jelly, just to rub on my forehead and my ears and stuff, so I don't get any hair dye on my forehead or anything. Hopefully this will stop it doing that. Now, yes, my hair looks revolting. It looks quite, amongst the grey, it just looks greasy and dirty. But it's always best to put hair dye onto dirtier hair than clean hair, because it clings to it better. So that's why I have done that. So now I've done this. Just grab this towel to dry my hands. Just then put these gloves on, and then I'll make a start. Usually I have a squeezy bottle, it's already like developers in there, and you just put the tube into it. So I've not had one of these. So I've not got a brush, I don't really get on with them anyway. So I'm just going to grab it in my hands and just slap it on my head. I've got my old top on. I've still got this pretty bracelet on. What the heck? So, not there, actually. Put it out of reach of this stuff. So, yeah. But I have done it like that anyway. I usually squeeze it into my hand and put it on my hair, so it can't be much different. Although a mess could be made. And usually I do not make that much of a mess. But I've laid the floor down with old sheets. Hopefully I only capture them. I'll just pop the lid onto this. I can do it. Right, so I'm just going to mix it in a bit more. Just to give it a good mix around. And there you are. So just going to scoop that in my hand. Pop it, I'm sorry you can't see, but it's a bit difficult. And put it like that. And then I just tend to put this like that. Start with the front. I'm hoping this is going to actually cover my whole head even. I actually think it will. I don't think it'll be too bad. I'm just going to keep going down at the back. Old t-shirt on. It's an old sweary t-shirt, actually. I'll go with it. I just pulled the old t-shirt out, what I usually do. Usually have about a couple for down my hair. So, push it right through. Actually, I'm quite surprised how much product I've still got left. I have one of those black bowls, so I don't know where it went. I think it's at Mum's somewhere and it just disappeared. But I never could get on with a brush. I'm not one of those that can do it like that. I did put this at the back of my neck. Not this, the jelly stuff. Oh well, it's happened now. I'm sure it'll come off in the shower, most of them do. So, anyway, yeah, it did actually say apply to dry hair. And so, I thought that would be the case. because it's normally only semi-permanent colours are for wet hair or something, or just, I don't know. I've used a demi-permanent colour, I've used semi ones. And yeah, I think it's the semi-permanent colours that are for wet hair. So I'm just going to speed through the rest of this, guys, and get this all mixed in. And I'll just kind of do this as well. Going to end up on Blend Mondo, aren't I? I'm definitely going to be ending up on there. Oh my word. Carry on. And just get the last of this out. I said we were going to speed that up and I'll carry on talking. So if this is me sounding like Pinky and Perky, it's my own fault. Okay, that'll do. So I'm just going to now massage this into my scalp so it gets the best application, or we hope. I'm not actually thinking I'm going to get the pinky raspberry kind of shade, because I just don't think I will. Is it pinky raspberry? On the box, isn't it? I think it is. More ready burgundy, isn't it? Either way, never turns out how it should on the box. Okay. And this isn't making my scalp feel very good, to be honest, guys. It's the first one I've actually felt where it's a bit, I don't know. I'm going to have to keep an eye on this. It's a bit, feeling a bit like it's burning-ish. Normally I will get that, but not for long, so I'll give it a go and see how we get on. If I end up washing it off in 10 minutes, then I'm not going to risk it. So there we are. I haven't brought the shower cap down either. I'm doing well. I forget everything. One day I'll be organised. Yeah, that's never going to happen, is it? Okay, so oh dear. Get over there. I'm just going to bend forward and put this on over there. There's more room this way. Okay, so I've got some tidying up to do, and let this set for 20 minutes. Then I'm going to just get in the shower. The next thing you'll see is me in there with my hair all done. So I shall see you in 20 or so minutes. So guys, as you can see, it is actually the next day. Reason was because the lighting was not as good last night, because obviously it's dark and you have to rely on ceiling lights and stuff, and it just wasn't showing the colour how it actually is. So I decided to wait till the next day. So here's the hair. I'm actually going to put this table back a bit because it's a bit too forward, but yeah, it's okay. I'm not mad at it. It didn't really go right down to the ends, but my hair is really long, so maybe 2 packs would have been better. It's took more on the top, but it does look a bit patchy to me. In natural light it looks better, so I am going to take a picture, and I'm either going to insert it in one of these corners here, or I'm going to put it in my Instagram stories so you can see that there. But yeah, it's alright. It's okay. It does look better than it does in this light, to be honest. It's actually got rid of all the greys, but because of my greys were lighter than my actual hair colour is, it's took that more, if you know what I mean. The pigment's a bit more intense, if you get what I'm saying. And yeah, try that again. My ends were dark anyway, so you know, it has took the pigment, it's just that it's dark on the ends. It's alright. It's okay. I quite like the colour actually, to be honest. It's alright. I have had better box dyes though. I have had better box dyes. Garnier Nutrice is a really good one. However, reds fade anyway very quickly, but it did fade more quicker than most. But I do like the actual formula of that. Schwarzkopf I really love. They're also very good. I do love their hair dyes. When I dye my hair brown, I use Nice and Easy Demi Permanent, and they're lovely. But yeah, this is about this one. So anyway, it's okay. I mean, I'm actually quite happy with the colour. When you see the picture, you'll see how it is, and it's really nice. But I was expecting a bit more. It's a bit of a faff putting it into a container and mixing it around and sticking it on your hair like that. I prefer the squeezy bottle, it's much easier. However, I didn't make that much mess. I thought I was going to make a huge mess with that, and I just didn't. So I'm getting quite good at this. I should be. I've been dyeing my hair for years, so yeah, and I've had a array of colours. So yeah, it's okay. It's not bad, it did the job. Would I repurchase this for £4? No, not really. I think I'll stick with the Schwarzkopf or get the Garnier Nutrice. Even the Polycolour Red Black I really like, however that did fade really fast. So yeah, I would purchase one of my regular ones rather than this. Even a really cheap brand, which actually it's not even a brand make, it's just unbranded, I got from the pound shop, worked better than this. So it's okay. I'm not the biggest fan. If you have blonde hair, that is going to really work for you. My hair's really long, so that's my fault for not buying 2 packs. That's completely my, fault. But you can see it's dark and it's dyed it. Not entirely sure it's gone all the way to the back. I feel like I've got a mixture of colour here, but that was because of the grey, I'm assuming. It hasn't dyed my scalp though, which is good. I did actually find this washed out really easy, because some dyes tend to be really difficult to get the dye out when you're rinsing it off your hair, but actually this one wasn't. So I did like that aspect in it, and I did really like the conditioner. But to promise a colour like that, now I think they all do this, these companies, these pictures on the front to say your hair could look like this. It could. Does it ever? Probably not. I mean, if you got blonde hair, you might have more of a chance, but basically this is Photoshop. This is just Photoshop. But yeah, my hair is nice and soft and shiny, and I do like the condition of it, but I'm not using this one again. I'm going to give it a miss. So guys, that's all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press the thumbs up button. It really helps my channel. And also press the subscribe button if you want to see more content on my channel. Also, please check out the group of ladies in the description box called the Authentic Army. I will see you again very soon. Hopefully without this lot going on my face, but quite frankly, I think this is here for a few days and I've got some videos to film. So, really sorry about that. I will see you again next time. Goodbye, everyone.
Sing it out.